Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The gold standard of reheating tamales, steaming helps the Mexican delicacies retain their original flavor and texture. Fill your steamer with water, and turn the heat to medium. Keep your tamales in their husks and steam for 15 to 20 minutes, adding an extra 10 minutes if your tamales are frozen. 7 October 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
When you start, the masa is going to be really sticky, like a wet bread dough. That's where lard, or oil, comes in. Lard adds amazing flavor and prevents the cooked tamale from sticking to the husk. If lard is not your jam, then just use vegetable oil or melted shortening. 29 November 2017.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.